we're going in our Carnival X Pro palette by Be Perfect Cosmetics, and we're going to go in with the color Wasted. Now we're going to go ahead and blend the top of that with the color Persuasion from the same palette. Alright, to cut this crease, we're going to go ahead and go in with MAC's Paint Pot and Painterly. Now I'll be going in with the creases with the color Black by Matte. I will have the specific name in the description below, but I'm just going to go ahead and do the outer corners of the eyes to darken it up a little bit. Now I'm going to go back in with the same brush that I used for the purple colors, and I'm just going to blend it all back in. Now I'm going in with the MyoMakeup's loose eyeshadow pigment in blue. I love this color. It is so bright and it just makes the color pop so much. And blue is my favorite color, so I absolutely love this eyeshadow. Alrighty, so moving on, I'm gonna go ahead in with the NYX liquid eyeliner to get my wing liner look. Okay, so I didn't want a full wing liner look, so I'm just go ahead and blend the sides of that. I'm gonna then go ahead in with the NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna be priming the lids of my eyes. The glitter I'm using is from Walmart that I bought for like $2. It's gonna be a blue glitter. Y'all, I am loving this eye look. I love it. So for my face, I'm going to go ahead in with the NYX Pore Filler Primer to get my skin nice and coated. Then I'm going in with the Revlon's Colorstay Foundation for dry skin in caramel number 400. So to conceal under my eyes, I'm going to be using LA Girls Pro Concealer in the colors Medium Beige and Warm Honey. I only do Medium Beige under my eyes, and I do the Warm Honey around the rest. Okay, so for contour, I'm going to be going in with MAC's Concealer in the number NW55. All right, y'all, so we about to blend this face so we can have it nice and looking nice and highlighted. So we're going to blend, and keep blending. Okay, so to set my face, I'm going to go in with the Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder. So to contour the outer edges of my face and my nose, I'm going to be using Black Radiance's True Complexion in medium to dark. The blush that I'm going to be using today is the Fit Me blush by Baie. Yeah, I be having a blast with my face. I love jamming to my little old school music back in the day. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And there I go again, thinking I can sing. Again, if I had one wish, it would be that, boo. Promise to love you. Trust me, I trust you. All right, y'all, I promise I'm finishing. And so I'm going in with my Kilowatt Illuminator. I love this highlight. You already know, Fenty Beauty. The color I'm using is Stone Cold. I absolutely adore this highlighter. It's going to stick with me forever. Like, me and her, we best friends. We're inseparable. I love. All right, I'm going to stop. But I love this highlighter. All right, so we're going to line those lips with the NYX lip liner in brown. And then to fill in our lips, I'm going to be using the color... Actually, I'm using ULTA's Matte Lip Cream in the color Elusive. It's a burgundy. I really love this little purplish burgundy tone lip color. Alright, so I'm going to be lining the bottom of my eyes with the MyoMakeup color in blue.
30 hertz straight up, straight up, straight up.
so for mascara, I'm going in with the Max False Lashes mascara. I'm going to be putting my lashes off camera. I do have a tutorial if you want to see the easy way to put on lashes, and I will be right back. Alright, my goddesses, so this is the finished look. I love this blueberry bliss look going on with the glitter and the purple and the blues. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Please let me know what y'all think in the comments below.